Welcome to Ngobatini Shop iChannel. Thank you so much for supporting the channel. Please make sure that you subscribe. Just click the subscribe button and help us to reach 10,000 subscribers. If you haven't subscribed, what are you waiting for? Just click the subscribe button and make sure that you help us to reach 10,000 subscribers. Thank you so much. Eitada. Hi, this is Ngobatini Shop iChannel. We are here at Loftus Versfeld. Mamelodi Sundowns 3. Sikhune North, my brother. How's it?
Kunjani baba Ngo?
Ngiyabona njani mfethu?
Hayi ngiphilile.
Number 1.
Ngijabulile.
Ngiyabona smile yaqhowa yonke le nto.
Hayi ngijabulile namhlanje.
Yeah, yini ekujabulisa kakhulu namhlanje?
I-win ne clean sheet.
3 goals also.
3 goals, yes. Ngijabulile nje ukuthi siwinile after the past 2 games. Yeah, it was disappointing for a club like Mamelodi Sundowns.
Yeah, also Black Label.
Yeah, especially Kev Baba Ngobo.
At home.
At home, yeah. That's the big fish.
That's a big one.
That's a big fish, and you need to bring your A game there. If you failed, yes, we failed in the Black Label. But when you go to Kev, because that's what we want.
That's a big one.
Yeah.
And I've always heard Coach Mangoba, he's talking about the Kev. Akasana ndaba ne-league, akana ndaba namanye amakhapha, ufuna iKev.
Yabona iKev Baba Ngobo. Yinto esiyifunayo kwamanje. Lokho kunye is fine, yes. Mara sifuna Africa manje. Sifuna i-stars esithi.
Mina niqala nikoreke ngoba kuyakora phela la.
Yeah, but manje we must learn from our mistakes esiwenzile, especially last season. Last season sikwazile ukudominate ama games amaningi, but ama results angaphumi.
Even the other season, I remember you dominated ama group stages. Banifika ngale knockout and then banmosh.
Yes. So namhlanje bonakala ukuthi Sundowns is a big club. You dominate the game, you win the game.
You win the game, exactly.
You bring the same mentality to CAF Champions League.
Exactly.
Dominate the game, win the game.
Beautiful.
Yeah.
Beautiful.
I think that's what we need in the CAF Champions League.
Beautiful. Thank you so much, my brother. Congratulations for the night.
No, thanks Baba Ngobo. Thanks Baba Ngobo. It's been an opportunity.
Eitada.
Sharp.